Come, Baloo.
Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Let's go.
Come on.
Come. Good boy. I think there's dogs on the beach and he'll run away along and get them, so we'll put them in the lake.
Look at the sea up there. It's nice. You can see over here, come close so you can see the boat. And over here you can see this cute little chow chow named Baloo. See those dogs over there, Baloo?
Yeah, he's on it.
He's like, oh,
Now, he would run if he wasn't on his lead.
yeah.
Right, he would run away to get to him, but he's got to learn.
Right.
They're coming this way, he's going that way, he'll meet them.
Okay.
He doesn't need to run.
What type of dog do you think they are over there?
One looks like a Labrador, 2 Labradors maybe.
Yeah.
I'm not sure about the other one. It's some sort of collie.
Looks like a bird. It kind of looks like a bull terrier, you know. Those dogs over there.
Oh, it's a collie.
Over there you can see those dogs over there. And over here you can see the sea on this ship on the sea. And over big tanker. And over here you can see this cute little chow chow named Baloo. Here you can lay down for your pee. I think now he wants to pee. And
He likes to sniff the log and feed him.
You can see what he did to me. He can see he's that's what he does, and like makes his mark and got some sandwich too. That's okay. When we can see the dogs over there, they're coming, and it would be nice for Baloo to rate them. Isn't that right, Boo Boo? Oh, look over there. That looks like it's a nice little. Looks like it was. What the heck is? What do you think? What is that over there?
I just piled it up.
Hold it up. That's sticks. And as you can see, Baloo must be going to the sticks. And oh, he's not. Here we are. We see the dogs. And one is a Rottweiler. One looks like a Labrador. And I think that one is a Saint Bernard.
Yeah, it's a Rottweiler. Right, come on.
I know that one.
It's a Spaniel. Say hello. Tangled everyone there, look. Hello.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Hello, buddy.
Oh,
It's just like a teddy bear. So beautiful.
Oh, hello. Is he saying the pet?
He's gonna play.
Oh, look. What do you say?
Say hello nice, but I'll take one away.
What are their names? What are their names?
This is Charlie.
Charlie?
Denver.
No.
How you?
And the black one there is Winnie.
And did you say that one was Ember?
Denver.
Denver and Winnie.
There you go, right? Is that you? You said hello now.
Do you like to meet them?
You said hello.
Can you see them?
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
Right, go on then. What? That's alright.
What about like Winnie?
That's Winnie, she's a guide dog.
Oh, she's a guide dog.
She's just like for playtime.
Oh,
No, I've heard of I heard of like a dog.
you know, it doesn't come back to see his other dogs.
What are you doing? I asked because Denver packed it up.
I know.
You will
Right, is that you? You said hello?
Just say hello anyway.
Right.
Denver.
no.
Right, yeah. All right.
That's not how you make friends.
Denver as in like Denver,
Colorado.
Colorado. That's why I named him Denver.
Right. You got to say hello, right?
You guys say
You're
hello.
going to leave them up. I'll see you later afterwards. You just.
We're saying nice this
Well,
time.
you're not going to see today. It took me ages to try and brush you yesterday.
Good boy.
There
Good
you
to
go.
Denver.
Boy.
Oh, oh. Oh, are you okay? Are you okay?
No.
Right, one then.
He's rude.
Bye.
Okay,
She's
go
not
on.
around. Bye. We saw like Denver, Winnie, and what was the everyone's name?
Oh, God.
Charlie.
Charlie.
Yeah. So Baloo is going to be left on his lead and see what he wants to do.
Come on then.
Come on,
Come
Baloo.
on. This way.
He
Come.
just.
Come.
Oh, he's done. Oh, I thought it looks like he got a stick stuck to him. Nice.
Wait. You got things to do again.
Huh? Okay. Did you like your work, Baloo? Did you like to meet Charlie? Did you like to meet Charlie, Denver, and Winnie? It was nice. Did Denver give you a scare? I'm sure she didn't mean to. Well, they're all the way over there, so it's nice meeting them. Right, Baloo? What are you doing? Yeah, there we're done. This is the last bit of the video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you all like to and subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get more info on like more videos. So thanks so much and bye.